Ever cracked your knuckles and thought, wow, I'm powerful. I just summoned thunder with my fingers. Well, guess what? You did, but also you didn't. Because what you're actually hearing is a microscopic bone demon gas orgy. Inside your joints, there's this bougie fluid called synovial juice, basically VIP bath water for your bones. When you stretch your fingers like you're about to roast someone's entire existence, the pressure in your joint drops faster than your will to live on a Monday. That drop in pressure causes gas bubbles to form. And those gas bubbles, they panic. They implode like your social skills during a phone call. And that is the crack. Doctors used to think it was bones grinding. Wrong. Then they said ligaments snapping. Wrong again. Turns out it's your joints farting internally. Will cracking your knuckles give you arthritis? No. That's a lie spread by adults who can't do a push-up anymore. One scientist literally cracked one hand for 60 years just to prove it's fine. King behavior. So crack those knuckles. Let the bubble demons rage. Because every pop is a middle finger to boring science.